Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Reolink Go Plus camera and solar panel. Alright, so this needs a 4G cellular network to operate. So this is basically for people who live off the grid. Okay? Here's the box. Let's open it up. Alright. Okay. Looks like we probably got the instructions in here. In this little package. So let's open it up. Okay, so we got the operational manual, the quick start guide. This looks like a wall mount template for the camera, a wall mount template for the solar panel mount, and a surveillance sticker to put in the window. Okay. Alright, next up in the box, we got the camera itself. Alright, looking at the face of the camera, we got the lens, we got the microphone, we got the infrared, we got the PIR sensor. On the bottom, we have the USB port, and that's micro USB, and for basically connecting the charger or connecting the solar panel. Alright, then we got the speaker, and then on the top we got the serial number, and then we got a barcode that's used basically to sync this with the app. Alright. Pull the rest of this stuff out. Alright, so next we got the battery. Okay, battery. And micro USB connector right there. Alright, we got some more goodies in here. We got the camouflage skin for the body of the camera. We got the mounting screws. And also there's a reset pin in here. We got the template mounting plate that the mounting strap fits through in case you want to mount it to a tree. Okay. The mount itself. Yup. Fits in there just like that. And we got a micro USB cable. Alright. Pretty short one at that. Okay, and then just this. Alright, next. Next we have the solar panel itself. Let me pull all this stuff out. Alright, so got the solar panel, the cord, micro USB connector, mounting hole for the mount. We got the mount itself. Okay. Solar panel mount. Mounting screws. Mounting strap. And mounting template in case you want to mount it to a tree. Fits in there just like that. And then mounting strap fits through it. Yep. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 2 of the series where I will cover how to set up the camera and with the app. Thank you very much.